Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you iCloud photos not showing on your 16 Pro Max. So to solve this issue, first of all go to settings, and in settings click on your Apple ID, and here you have to go to iCloud, and here you will see the photos options. Enable this option. This will sync your iPhone and upload your latest photo. So if you are still facing this issue, you have to check your iCloud and your phone storage. So from here you can check your iCloud storage. If your iCloud storage is full, make sure to make space by deleting some items from your gallery. After this, you can check your phone storage from here. In general, you can find the option of iPhone storage. So here you can see in my iPhone is plenty of space is remaining. So after this, your problem will be solved. So if you are still facing this issue, you have to go to general, and in general you have to go to transfer or reset iPhone. Here you have to click on reset, and in reset you have to click on reset all settings. After clicking on reset all settings, you have to enter your passcode, and here click on reset all settings. This option will reset all your phone settings to factory, and it will not delete any of your data. So that's how you can fix iCloud photos not showing problem. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.